Oh yeah. Right there is this, obviously some broccoli. Real seasoned, getting this cook on, goddamn me. Right here, as you can see, just some butter, garlic, rice. Okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna be butter. Straight batter. I'm telling you. Over here we just got you already know what that is. Well tender juicy roast. Oh yeah. What's this right here? Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For dessert, as you can see, is homemade sweet potato pies, as you can see. I just put them in here, so obviously that's why they look like that. Still bright orange. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So that's what we having tonight. Oh yeah. And I need to add some more water to that. Okay. Oh yeah. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. That's gonna be straight better.